If you are looking for roofing in Rancho Cordova and Sacramento, our company is one of the most affordable places to consider and choose. It's no secret that roofing in California is not cheap, but finding good quality roofers can be a bit difficult. The good news is that our company and contractors have been in business for several years and have developed a reputation for doing good work at a fair price. Just check out all of our 5-star reviews online. Affordable roof repair quotes and installation. If you need roof repairs done at affordable pricing or discounts, you should take your time and investigate the numerous roofers and construction companies. This will help you determine if you should do the work yourself or look at hiring professionals to do the job. The problem is that you can save quite a bit of money if you decide to do the repairs or new installation yourself. But if you hire someone to do it for you, then you will know and they will have the experience and tools to get the job done correctly. Affordability and quality are what we aim to provide to our potential clients and customers. Competitive rates but quality materials are we can offer. Hiring us will be worth the price. Our contractors are professionals and have the expertise. We love to share some ideas and suggestions about what will be the right and what will work for your roof. Rancho Cordova Roofing Pro has been working with homeowners repairing and replacing roofs for over 15 years. We can work with you and your insurance company if you have a valid claim to get the job done. If you do not have insurance funds to work with, we can help you determine the best roof shingles, asphalt, wood, tile, etc. that fits into your budget. Money-saving roofing tips. It's important to try and save as much money as possible, but you also need to consider durability. With increased damage from storms, rain, and other weather conditions, you need a good roof that you can depend on to stand up to the elements and, even in the best cases, to hold up to extreme weather. A good roof will keep your home safe from the elements as well as improve the value of your home. The manufacturers that we work with usually have a warranty from 10 to 30 years on most materials. We back that up with our guarantee of satisfaction. Rancho Cordova Roofing has relationships with the best companies and roof materials. This means we get large discounts that we can then pass on to the homeowner. We are experts and specialize in residential and commercial projects. You can research us on the web for referrals and recommendations from other happy property owners. Choosing a roofer or contractor, how do you choose? When it comes to choosing a roofing company in Sacramento, Rancho Cordova, or Folsom, make sure you find one that works with contractors in all categories of roofing. If you have a high-quality roof and you're looking for another roofing company to use, the professionals should be able to come up with a solid plan that is in keeping with the budget that you have. Your roof is one of the most important things you need to keep updated on your home. It protects you and your family from all the outside elements and is truly an investment in your property. It's also important to be sure that you choose roofing companies that offer warranty coverage on their work. While you might have faith in the people that you hire to do the work, they might not be able to get the job done perfectly and could leave something behind. That is not only frustrating to you but is dangerous to your family as well. Make sure that when you buy your home, you aren't stuck with a roof that isn't doing its job right. You should also be careful when choosing roofing contractors because many of them offer their work at lower prices. The reason why they charge less is sometimes due to shoddy craftsmanship. We pride ourselves on 100% customer satisfaction. We offer a free roof inspection report before you decide to hire us for the job. If changes come up along the way, we will discuss with you to make sure everybody is on board and knows what the plan is moving forward. This protects you from unexpected charges and you don't think we ripped you off. Roof repairs, new installation, maintenance at great pricing and rates. One of the best ways to finding affordable roofing might want to consider consulting with your friends and neighbors. Don't be afraid to ask them what they like about their homes and what they would change about them. Ask them about their experience. Was the roofers professional? Did they clean up afterward? Was the site safe for the family during the construction? What you can learn from them can be very helpful, as well as teaching you tips on how to do your home renovation and save yourself some money as well. Ask them for referrals and you will not be surprised to hear our name come up as one of the best. It's easy to get multiple bids for the repair work that you need. Look online for reviews, ask neighbors, or referrals, and you must have a good feeling about the company you hire when you meet them for the inspection. A new roof could end up being one of the largest expenses you incur while you own your home. Rancho Cordova affordable roofing experts that you choose can make a big difference in the way your home looks and feels and in the way that you enjoy your home. So you must do your research and make sure that you get the best roof for your money, while taking good care of your roof, and we will make sure that it lasts for many years to come. You can ask some of our past clients we work on, that we deliver the best services to our clients. We want to see the smile on their faces as they see their new roof and house, as it means to us, that we provide them a job well done. We consider our works as masterpieces. That is why we can ensure that your house and roof are in the right hands.